What do you think, Dad? Just let him find it.
A train.
What is it?
Train.
Do you like it?
Look at this. Taxi.
Yeah.
Taxi. Look at this. Train. That. Can I play with some? Yeah. You're like a taxi. Okay.
What do you think?
Boom, 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 boom. Wow. Boom, 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 boom.
What's in there?
Which place should I go? I'll go back here.
What's in there?
I'm going through the tunnel.
Rocks. There's tunnels.
Just like this cool tunnel.
There's more over here.
Here's one.
Oh.
Come on.
And see these doors open, just like the other one.
Just like Jason's and Wait! What's Jason's brother's name?
Carter.
Like Jason Carter's. How do you get up here?
Looks like you have to come around over here, or go up over there. Happy birthday, Deb! Oh, see, that comes off. It's a magnet. So you can load it up. There's a dump truck. Look.
So this is the way to get up the
Yeah.
hill. Watch out, David! Whee! Ah! Whee! Wow, this is gonna be cool. Whoa! Watch out! Ooh, trees! Tree!
Say bye-bye, Devin. Happy birthday.
How old are you? Tell the camera how old you are.
A truck.
Truck.
Dump.
Are you 2?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.